Alright, so this is like how I animated and all that. So this is pretty much like what's happening. So over where the like where the animation is, like somewhere the 3D thing on the big screen is like pretty much what I use. Yeah, that's pretty much it. There's not a lot to say really. I did screw around with the camera a little bit to make it work though. So yeah, other than that, it's pretty good. And yeah, please subscribe. I don't know why I said that. You don't have to. I don't really care. But yeah, this is pretty much the animation. There's gonna be a lot of animation in the future. That's a warning.